again, if you want to add to what Dhirendra is saying, because obviously right now there is a lot of concern. Not too many, honestly, not too many retail investors are, even well versed with the difference between what they're getting into with a debt scheme versus an equity scheme, and if the dangers for the both in the current market scenario will be the same. Should they start pulling out their money? Should they wait? What should happen?
Well, I think, certainly they should not panic because, all this panic was there because people were worried whether they could actually pull out their money and whether, the same thing that happened with Templeton would happen to the other funds as well, and whether they would not be able to even pull out of schemes like the ultra short bond fund. So I think, two things have happened. I think most of the funds have allayed fears on their own funds by putting out notes on their portfolios. And, with this liquidity, certainly investors don't need to be worried that they won't have access to their monies. So that's point one. But I think at the same time, investors do need to look at the sort of funds that they're holding. Look at why did they get into these funds, because one thing that's certainly very clear is that a lot of times investors choose funds based on near term performance, and that's one thing that they really need to stop doing right now. They need to look at the risk involved before they actually look at the near term performance. It's just like when you have a choice of investing in a fixed deposit, you have a scheduled bank and then you have a cooperative bank, and you may not choose the cooperative bank even if it's giving higher returns because of the risk involved. So, I think investors at this point really need to start thinking about and start evaluating the risk that's there in their holdings over just looking at returns. And I think certainly protection of capital is very important in the current situation that we are facing right now.